Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making gluten-free penne vodka. I'm going to start out by dicing up the prosciutto. It was already diced, but I just kind of made it into smaller pieces, and then mincing some garlic. Next, I'm going to throw some oil in a pan and add the prosciutto and start browning that up a little bit. Once that's to my likings, I'm going to throw in the minced garlic and I'm just going to pull off a piece of basil and just throw the whole thing in there and then cook it up a little bit. Now I'm going to turn the fire off and add the vodka into it. I ended up adding more because I didn't feel like it was enough. This was my first time making it, so I'm just winging it. So you'll see here that I end up adding some more vodka into it. And then after I stir that around, I'm going to add in the tomato puree. I'm going to keep stirring this around and then take out the basil and throw it off to the side, and then just kind of let this cook down for about 20 to 30 minutes before I add in the cream. After adding in the cream, I'm just going to stir it around, and then I'm going to take another pan and then combine everything in another pan. So I'm going to put this off to the side and then get a smaller pan and put some of the sauce in with my gluten-free noodles and stir it around before I serve it up on a plate. I ended up doing it this way so that I could save whatever sauce was left over and freeze it, because gluten-free noodles you can't really freeze. They don't thaw out very good. So I'm just mixing this together, and then I'm going to put it onto a plate, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. I think if I made this again, I would definitely add more garlic. I don't think there was enough in there, but it was good. Thank you so much for watching. If you end up making this, please leave me a comment below and let me know if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe.